in this problem we'll try to understand concept of different stability profiling of forms of amino acids. Here a particular program is developed to evaluate stability of proteins by substituting each of the amino acids at one time by other 20 amino acids. For a protein, if we observe following changes, that is given in graphical form: stability upon substitution of amino acids in loops, helix, sheets, protein cores, and on the protein surface, that is given. And based on this profiling, we have to answer a particular options and select the right one. Okay. Upon substitution, the graph shows different stability forms of helix, sheets and loops in first figure. Either it is increase or decrease, whereas in second graph shows stability profiling of surface proteins as well as core proteins. Now, please remember one thing: if upon substitution, stability depends on which parameter? If stability upon substitutions by certain time intervals increase, that means a particular form of amino acids is more tolerant. Or if stability decrease, that if particular forms of amino acid is less tolerant. So from this graph we can see that helix, loops, as well as from the second graph protein surface, these three forms of protein amino acids, all of the three forms shows in terms of stability increasing sign. That means these all three forms are more tolerant in terms of stability, whereas from the graph we can see that sheets as well as core proteins shows decreasing sign, means they are increased below the 0 point. That means these two forms are less tolerant. So among answer options, first option says that loops are more tolerant. So yes, loops are more tolerant from the graph. Sheets are more tolerant. No, sheets are less tolerant. Core is less tolerant. Yes, core is less tolerant. Helix are less tolerant. No, helix are more tolerant. Surface is more tolerant. Yes, surface is more tolerant. That means option 5, first option as well as second option is the right answer. So this combination matches with option A rather than with option C, because option C contains fifth one is right, but second one, sheets are more tolerant. No, sheets are less tolerant. So option A is the correct answer. And friends, if you think my videos are helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you will be notified for the next upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.